in other matters naman po, ma'am, nagbaba si US President Donald Trump ng 15% global tariff. Ano po ang balak ng economic team dito to protect our exporters?
Oo, isa po yan sa talagang sumambulat na balita sa atin. Kaya po, minabuti ko pong kausapin ang economic team at ito po ang kanilang tugon. We will continue to engage with the US, given that US remains a major trading partner. In the meantime, we will evaluate and monitor recent developments. Our goal is to ensure that our trade and investment relations with the US remains stable and predictable. Yan po ang tugon ng economic team.